Hi, I'm Pete Johnson. I'm the field CTO of AI at MongoDB, and welcome to Building the AI Era, a look at how organizations can use data to build AI applications smarter, faster, and with purpose. I'm joined by my colleague Shilpa Kohar, Senior VP of Product and Engineering at MongoDB, and Devin Dickerson, Principal Analyst at Forrester. Together, we're going to uncover how AI is driving the race to optimize IT operations, from simplifying data access and availability to unifying enterprise systems in a digital landscape that moves at lightning speed. Devin, in our last conversation, we talked about the foundational role that a data platform plays in establishing an AI stack. We've also seen that AI will make changes to every aspect of how we live. What has this done for the pressures that IT leaders are under these days, and how can they handle that to move forward to meet their goals?
Fundamentally, we're dealing with a fast-growing consumer product, and those consumer products set the bar. And so when enterprise leaders need to leverage AI to build AI, they're not only trying to figure out an emerging technology that has the potential to transform and possibly put pressure on their business, but they're also trying to hit a moving target that is a very high bar for user experience.
Data plays such a pivotal role in AI's success, and yet it seems like it's overlooked in most of the conversations around AI.
I actually think data is still foundational to building AI applications in the inferencing kind of world. And so I think that's one piece. I also think that a lot of this just comes down to traditional tech debt concerns in application modernization use cases. Tech debt is an existential threat to any modernization strategy. And I would actually take that further and say that the elimination or mitigation of technical debt really should be one of the highest order objectives of any modernization activity.
My favorite part in the Forrester 2026 predictions paper, though, is that there's this shift in expectation that I think it was 85% of CIOs want to see the return on investment, so that the payback for the investment that they might make in AI is now a 3-year deal, right? There's like your 5-year roadmap doesn't matter anymore.
I think that people are getting more creative about how they think about ROI as well, because we talked about an example in a prior conversation of code generation is 15 to 20% faster. Is that ROI? Not necessarily, not unless we're actually delivering software at a greater speed. I think that if we can start thinking about metrics more around business value and less just about productivity, we can actually start to explain that ROI story a little bit better in the future.
Ticketing systems is a popular one. If I have some AI-assisted agents for my people who are answering calls, does the number of calls they can close a month, does that increase? That tells me something about the business value I was able to derive by injecting AI into the ecosystem.
And I actually think that you touched on a really interesting point too, which is if you don't have data that either you own or that the customer is providing that is differentiating in this use case, then it might not actually be a good use case to build an AI capability on top of it. Otherwise, you might as well just be using the commercially available chatbot.
So the ability to be adaptable, the ability to reduce latency through transactional footprint, and also where you might actually have the data, those things are all important when you're talking about features you might need in a database for your AI use cases.
Yeah, so we have worked with a lot of fintech companies and also some of the banking application modernization as well. And yes, these are some of like the highly regulated industries. And having MongoDB, which can be deployed anywhere and at any scale, is something that has helped us prove that success point.
And one thing that's really interesting about those types of customers is that they tend to have to operate across multiple different types of environments. They might have a modern stack here, a legacy stack here, and we need to be able to meet them wherever they need us to be in order to support their needs.
Last fall, we launched MongoDB Application Modernization Platform. It helps our customers modernize from their legacy stack onto MongoDB by removing the frictions that come along the modernization journey. and also, enable them to get there faster. What else do you think are the characteristics that a database should have to enable AI success, other than speed and flexibility that we discussed already?
I want to be able to integrate it into my environment, integrate it into my application. I want to be able to deploy relatively easily. I want that kind of seamless developer experience around those touch points to let me focus on the things that I do best.
Thanks for tuning in to Building the AI Era. Visit MongoDB.com to learn more.